Hey, and welcome to ZappySys ODBC PowerPack 101. In this video triplet, we will continue where we left off in the previous video, ODBC PowerPack the basics. With the ZappySys ODBC JSON driver and ODBC data source, you will learn how to authenticate using OAuth, then make HTTP GET requests to a REST API, and paginate through the results. Finally, you will find out how to build ODBC queries and use them in applications. Keep in mind, other ZappySys ODBC drivers such as XML driver use the same concepts and familiar UI like JSON driver. So even if you need to get XML or other type of data from a REST API, you will benefit from the following videos too. So let's get started.